This is how you're going to create anchor links on Elementor using text. So here's the problem. You want a specific word in a sentence to act as a jump button. So if that's what your problem is, you can just follow this tutorial. The fix is you're going to highlight the text that you want people to click. So for example, I'm going to highlight the zip text right here. And then in the link right here in the link field under the content tab, we're just going to type in the hashtag followed by the ID name that you created for the jump. So you would usually need an anchor element for this one, but you can also just do this. So for example, we're going to type in a number sign contact. So it really depends on where your anchor is, and that's it. This is just like linking to Google, but instead of HTTPS, you use the number sign or hashtag, which is an internal code to stay on your own page. And that's it. That is how you're going to create anchor links on Elementor. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.